Do you ever feel unsteady on your feet, like the ground beneath you is shifting? Does climbing stairs suddenly feel like scaling a mountain, each step more daunting than the last? Maybe you find yourself hesitating before a walk, worried that your legs won't carry you as far as they used to, or that you might stumble and fall. This creeping weakness is a silent thief, something millions of people over 60 experience daily, often without realizing it. It's not just a normal part of aging, it's a problem that can steal your independence and joy, making you feel like a shadow of your former self. Weak legs dramatically increase your risk of falls, which can lead to broken bones, long hospital stays, and a significant decline in your quality of life. The fear of falling can keep you home, isolated from friends and family, and this inactivity only makes things worse, creating a vicious cycle of weakness and fear. Everyday tasks, carrying groceries, playing with grandkids, even standing up from a chair, become harder and harder, chipping away at your confidence and independence. But what if there was a simple, natural way to fight back against this decline, a way to regain your strength and confidence? Imagine waking up with new strength in your legs, walking confidently again, and feeling the joy of movement without fear. This isn't a fantasy, it's backed by science and accessible to everyone, regardless of age or current physical condition. We're not talking about complicated exercises or expensive prescriptions. There's no need for drastic measures or invasive treatments. Today, we'll reveal a vibrant purple miracle from the earth that can start working in as little as 12 hours, helping you reclaim your strength and vitality. Let's take the first step together toward a stronger, more youthful you, and say goodbye to the silent thief stealing your steps. To fight weak legs, we need to understand why it happens. It's a common issue that affects many as they grow older, but it's not inevitable. By understanding the underlying causes, we can take steps to mitigate the effects. As we age, we lose muscle mass, a process called sarcopenia. This natural decline in muscle tissue starts as early as our 30s and accelerates with each passing decade. Think of your muscles as a city. In youth, new buildings go up. With age, construction slows and old ones aren't replaced. This analogy helps us visualize how our muscles deteriorate over time if not properly maintained. If you're not using your muscles, this process speeds up, leading to weakness. A sedentary lifestyle exacerbates muscle loss, making it crucial to stay active. Our circulatory system also changes. Blood vessels stiffen, slowing the delivery of oxygen and nutrients. This reduced efficiency impacts muscle health and overall vitality. That's why your legs tire faster than before. The combination of muscle loss and poor circulation makes everyday activities more challenging. Lifestyle matters too. Less movement means your body stops maintaining muscle. Regular physical activity is essential to keep muscles strong and functional. It's a classic use it or lose it scenario. Engaging in strength training and other exercises can help counteract muscle loss. This combination, muscle loss, poor circulation, and inactivity, creates a perfect storm for weak legs. But understanding these factors gives us the power to address them. But you can break this cycle. With the right approach, you can regain strength and improve your quality of life. The key is to preserve muscle, improve circulation, and boost your energy. A combination of exercise, proper nutrition, and lifestyle changes can make a significant difference. That's where our miracle food comes in. Certain foods can enhance blood flow and support muscle health. It targets these issues at their core, helping you rebuild strength from the ground up. By incorporating these strategies, you can maintain strong, healthy legs well into your later years. So, what's this miracle food that's been quietly supporting health for generations, yet is often overlooked in our modern diets? It's not some rare superfood from a distant land, nor is it a pricey supplement. It's the humble beetroot, an everyday vegetable with extraordinary benefits. This deep purple root is a nutritional powerhouse loaded with vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds. It's been proven to restore leg strength and vitality, especially as we age. Recent studies show that older adults who regularly consume beetroot juice use less oxygen during physical activity. That means their muscles work more efficiently, making movement feel easier and less tiring. The secret behind this effect lies in the natural nitrates found in beets. When you eat or drink beetroot, your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide acts as a powerful messenger, relaxing and widening your blood vessels. This boosts circulation, allowing your heart to pump blood more easily throughout your body. As a result, more oxygen-rich blood reaches your leg muscles, fueling them to work harder, recover faster, and resist fatigue during walks, exercise, or even daily chores. The best part? These effects can be felt within just a few hours of enjoying beets or beetroot juice, making it a quick and natural way to boost your energy. But that's not all. Beets are also packed with unique antioxidants called betalains. These powerful compounds help fight inflammation and soothe aching joints, which is especially important for older adults. For those living with arthritis or joint pain, adding beets to your diet can mean less discomfort and more freedom to move, walk, and enjoy life. In other words, beets attack leg weakness from all sides, improving muscle efficiency, enhancing blood flow, and reducing inflammation all at once. That's why beets are such a unique and powerful tool for reclaiming your strength. They're simple, natural, and easy to add to your meals. No complicated recipes required. Next, let's take a closer look at how beets work their magic inside your body and how you can start reaping these benefits today. Here's how beets transform your leg strength. When you eat or drink beets, their nitrates mix with saliva and begin converting to nitrites. Chewing well or swishing beet juice helps unlock their power. In your stomach, nitrites become nitric oxide, which enters your bloodstream. Nitric oxide tells your arteries to relax and widen, lowering blood pressure and improving circulation. Your leg muscles get a surge of oxygen, letting them work longer before tiring. Athletes use beet juice for this very reason. For seniors, it means walking further, climbing stairs, and standing longer with less fatigue. Enhanced blood flow also delivers nutrients and anti-inflammatory compounds to muscles and joints. Beets provide a cascade of benefits: stronger, more flexible, and energetic legs, all from a simple root. Who benefits most from beets? Anyone with leg weakness or instability. If you steady yourself on furniture or worry your legs might give way, your muscles need support. Beets rapidly boost muscle efficiency and blood flow, improving confidence and safety. Seniors with poor circulation, cold hands, swollen ankles, heavy legs, will notice lighter, more energized limbs. Those with joint pain or arthritis get relief from beets' anti-inflammatory power. If you're recovering from illness or inactivity, beets help muscles repair and rebuild faster. In short, if you want to move better and feel stronger, this route is for you. Let's talk about how to use it for fast results. How can you easily add beets to your routine? They're versatile: juice, roast, or use powder. For fastest results, drink a small glass of beetroot juice 2 to 3 hours before activity. If you prefer, roast beets. Wrap, bake, peel, and add to salads or as a side. 1 to 2 medium beets daily is ideal. For convenience, try beetroot powder. Just a teaspoon or two in water, smoothies, or yogurt. Results can be felt within hours. Energy and stamina rise quickly. For lasting improvements, consistency is key. Make beets a daily habit, and in 1 to 2 weeks, expect stronger legs and more confidence. Simple, delicious, and effective. Now let's make sure you're not sabotaging your progress. Here's what to avoid for maximum results. 11. To get the most from beets, avoid things that block their benefits. Skip commercial mouthwash before or after eating beets. It kills the good bacteria needed to convert nitrates. Cut back on processed foods, unhealthy fats, and sugar. They cause inflammation and damage blood vessels. Limit salt, which raises blood pressure and strains circulation. Use herbs and spices for flavor instead. Read labels. Salt hides in many packaged foods. Most importantly, don't be sedentary. Beets fuel your muscles, but you need to move, walk, do chair exercises, or garden. Avoiding these pitfalls lets beets deliver their full leg-strengthening power. Now let's see how a day of eating with beets looks. Here's a simple one-day plan to enjoy beets at every meal. For breakfast, blend a small cooked beet or beet powder with berries, banana, Greek yogurt, and milk for a power smoothie. For lunch, try a roasted beet and chicken salad with leafy greens, walnuts, and feta, dressed with olive oil and lemon. For dinner, pan-sear salmon and serve with sautéed beets and greens. Each meal delivers beets' leg-strengthening benefits plus protein and healthy fats. Mix and match to suit your taste. The goal: make beets a sustainable, enjoyable part of your life. Now let's take your first step toward a stronger you. Adding beets to your daily diet is a powerful first step toward a stronger, healthier you. Imagine climbing stairs with ease, playing with grandkids, or strolling confidently through the park. This isn't a distant dream, it's within your reach. No gym membership or expensive diet required, just a humble root in your kitchen. Beets improve circulation, deliver more oxygen to muscles, and reduce inflammation. Pair them with leafy greens, berries, dark chocolate, and potassium-rich foods for even greater benefits. You're not a passive victim of aging, you can influence your health with simple choices. Let Beets be your declaration of intent for a vibrant, joyful life. Take that first step today. Buy some Beets and feel the difference. You deserve to feel strong, stable, and ready for everything life offers. Your journey to renewed strength starts now.